welcome back to my channel. And oh, also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which was, you know, just, you know, the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, well, we will just get on into this tutorial. Alright, so first I'm putting on this Sun Balm Coconut Lip Balm, and then priming my eyelids with the NYX eyeshadow base in Nude. And I'm putting some Scotch tape on the outer corners of my eyes and going in with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I'm taking the shade Riff and I'm putting that in my crease. And then I'm taking a flat shader brush and putting Stranded on my lid and putting Good Is Gone in my outer corner. And then I'm going in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner and just, you know, creating that nice wing liner, and the tape really helps. And then I'm just taking off the tape because I don't need it anymore. And then I'm going in with the NYX HD Concealers, Nude Beige to cover up my blemishes, and then Fair to highlight. And then I'm going to actually start drawing out the bat mask part of the face, or the look. So I'm just taking this NYX black pencil liner and just creating the bat. I was like going off kind of like, I don't even know what you'd call it. I don't even know what I'm saying. I was just going off of a picture like on Pinterest. And then I'm going in with the black Snazaroo paint, activating it with the water, and I'm going to attempt to cover it. I find with the black it's not as pigmented as some other of the shades that they have, so it's a little bit harder to kind of like build up the color, so it takes a while. So I was using a makeup wedge sponge at first, but then I just took like this sponge tip applicator and it kind of seemed to help a little bit more. So I'm just covering up all of the mask part. And then I'm actually taking the Wet n Wild black gel liner, and I'm using that to kind of just like fill in the spots that I missed and kind of like carve it out more. And then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige. And then contouring with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. And then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette and just putting that red lipstick shade on my lips. Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pura Vida bracelet or a sand cloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!